Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating or signing into your Kaggle account and joining the competition. This gives you access to data and forums. Next, download the dataset and the competition rules so you know the metric and submission format. Once done, initialize a local project folder or a Kaggle notebook, install required packages, and prepare a reproducible environment. Make sure to record versions and seeds so experiments are comparable, and you can iterate quickly without losing track of configs. You should perform focused exploratory data analysis to find patterns, outliers, and missingness. This informs feature engineering choices. Then create deterministic features, handle categorical variables, and apply transformations, because better features often beat complex models. Next, build simple baseline models and set up cross-validation that mirrors the test split. This gives reliable estimates. After that, iterate on algorithms, tune hyperparameters, and log results so you can compare versions and avoid overfitting as you refine performance. When ready, produce final predictions on the test set, format the CSV exactly as required, and upload to Kaggle. Submit early to see a baseline leaderboard score. Once posted, examine where you rank and use ensembling or stacking to nudge improvements while ensuring CV estimates align with leaderboard moves. If things go wrong, check for data leakage, inconsistent preprocessing between train/test, or CV mismatches. Reproduce the whole pipeline from raw data to submission to locate and fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.